I'm going to go in with Ariana and Evans, one of my favorite soaps right now. This is the Ultima, the Woods and Spices. And I'm going to be using my timeless adjustable shaving brush. This is my favorite knot right now. It's got the G5C knot in it. And that's how easy it is to prep a tip, a synthetic tip. You just put it in here. Go in here and grab some soap. I paint it on first. And there's a lot of other people are starting to use this method here on YouTube, which is good because it's popular and it's so easy. I have a ton of growth. I mean, I'm stretching this blade. Now, what you want to do once you get, this painted on your face to face lather, you want to put it on your face and break the backbone of it. Just go back and forth. What this is going to do is it's going to work these bristles underneath the hairs on your face and lift them up. It's going to make a huge difference in your shave. I see some people that just like paint it on their face. Yeah, you're going to get the slickness of the soap, but you're not going to get the big benefits of using a brush. Back down, same thing. Now I'm just building up a lather. So to do that, I've got to add a little bit of water to it to get it to crank it up. You can see these. This soap over at Ariana and Evans. Peter does a great job. So easy to get going.